You have to satisfy the requirements of the law or regulation. Tell us why you are not here. Are you sick? Are you half dead? Are you incapacitated? Because you will deprive the other parties participating in this hearing the right to answer
Okay.
or give questions.
Thank you for that suggestion, Mr. President. Yes, Colonel Acerto, bakit po kayo nag-online? Bakit po wala kayo dito physically present dito sa bulwagang ito?
Sorry po, hindi ko po maintindihan.
Bakit po?
Paano po yung audio?
Ulitin ko po, Colonel
Mr. Chairman.
Acerto. Pwede po bang malaman bakit wala po kayo dito physically dito sa bulwagang ito nang sa ganon ay kayo po'y makaharap dito sa committee hearing ng Quadcom? Pwede po bang malaman kung anong rason?
Ako po ay, Mr. Chairman, ako po ay nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte dahil sa ginawa kong report tungkol kay Michael Yang at Alan Lim.
Kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon? Buka pala. May I question this anomaly of taking a testimony with video of a person on the basis of his story only. Dapat to dito, that person, if he has something to say against or for anybody, must be required to attend here and tell his story. Mahirap po yan because that is not a standard, a fair standard of justice. Solo nila. Pagkatapos, tapos ng istorya. So, his story becomes gospel truth. Oh, what about yung mga tao tinatamaan niya na totoo o hindi? How can you now confront or ask question? How can you now redeem your name, your honor, if hayaan mo ng ganon
Mr.
na
Chair.
mag-testimony? They
Sige
should
po,
be required to attend.